Hey, what's up guys, it's Roy here. So today I got the Spigen GLAStR Alignment Master here. This is a tempered glass screen protector for the Google Pixel 8a. It's gonna come in around $14.99 on Amazon with Prime shipping. And so in today's video, I'll make it super simple and get this slapped on because I definitely wanna protect this phone screen while I have it in my possession. But as you can see here, very simple box made for Google Pixel. There is a QR code there, which obviously I recommend watching this video to learn how to install it. And then here on the back, it does talk about the oleophobic coating, real glass, 9H surface hardness, etc., etc. But let's get this bad boy out. So for $14.99, you're gonna get 2 screen protectors. But what's really nice about this kit here, as you can see, is we get an alignment tool here, which I absolutely love. So that is something that I appreciate. And then inside the packaging, we'll get it kind of opened up here. It's kind of sealed up. We get a little squeegee, which I appreciate this type of squeegee. It's pretty nice. And then the thank you for choosing Spigen stuff. And then of course we have our 2 tempered glass here. So I'm just gonna kind of put one to the side. And let's get this open here. I'm sure there's some cleaning wipes and some other stuff in here. So we got our dust removal stickers, which are kind of a normal thing with these types of things. A microfiber cloth to wipe it down with. And then a lens and screen cleaning wipe, which I'll take one for the actual one that we're using today. So pretty simple. You know, in reality, guys, I don't think it's a very difficult thing to install. And then if you look at what we have here, like it says here, it says press, then slide. So once we install this on, and then of course, this is where the back goes. So we'll peel this off, put it on, and then push, and then that should get all the air bubbles out. So let's go ahead and grab the Pixel 8a here. And I'm going to open up the cleaning cloth here. And it's fairly damp, so that should be pretty good. And actually I'm just gonna pick it up, just kind of wipe it down. As you can see there, kind of how it's kind of cleaning it up there. And then I'm gonna get the cloth, wipe it down. All right, looks pretty good. And then just in case, we'll use the little dust removal sticker and just kind of get some of those little fine particles that might have been left behind. You know, not all microfiber cloths are created equal. So even like with these nice ones that they provide, you're sometimes going to get a little bit of some just little tiny specks. So I'm just going to kind of go through it real quick. It doesn't leave any glue residue or anything like that. So we're solid there. And then now we're going to use this here. Now let's see if it says anything about top or bottom. It does not, so I'm assuming we're going to be fine with just kind of doing it like so. Now one thing that's interesting is it does raise up just a tiny bit, which is interesting, but I think that's meant for when I place this down. It'll actually not allow me to misalign it, which would be kind of cool. So I'm going to kind of just push it to the side here and kind of just drop it in and then press and slide like it says. So as you can see, it's slowly going through everything there, but I'm going to go ahead and lift this alignment kit up, and I guess I could just technically peel this off now. And then I'm just going to use the squeegee and kind of squeegee out all the air bubbles here. So unfortunately, for whatever reason, there's a few more air bubbles left behind than I anticipated, which isn't a big deal. I mean, they're coming out just fine. But one thing I really like about this squeegee is that it is soft and it's not messing up anything. And there we go. Now, if you hear my kids in the background, it's because they just got home. So almost perfect timing. So that way they're not screaming in the background of the video. Okay, and that's all she wrote. So it took me a little longer. I had a little bit of a little speck dust down at the bottom, so I had to kind of lift it up and clean that up and then get that out, but not too shabby. So As you can see, guys, it is installed, and as you can see there, it does just kind of briefly go over on the edges right there. But the most important part is obviously being able to use it with a screen protector installed. And that's one thing that I like about these Spigen ones, is that I don't ever feel like I'm actually dealing with anything that's giving me any issues. So I'm always a big fan of them. It feels great. I actually like the responsiveness that you can get out of it. And you can even go into your settings and go down to display if you wanted to, and actually increase the touch sensitivity if you have a screen protector installed, and it just helps it just that bit more. So just something to think about if you are someone that likes to have a tempered glass screen protector installed on your device. But for $14.99 to be able to get 2 of these, and it's from a company like Spigen, I think it's an absolute no-brainer. So hit the like button, guys, if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe, ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.